She laughed when he walked into the shopping mall wearing his U.S. Army uniform. She didn't even try to be discreet. Another military guy thinks he's tough enough for retail, she whispered to her assistant manager. The mall executives smirked knowingly. Store managers rolled their eyes, certain this hire was a mistake. But when chaos erupted, the laughter stopped instantly. His name was Sergeant First Class Daniel Kim, 10 years in the United States Army, military police, 3 Army Commendation Medals. He was shot in the back while protecting civilians during a terrorist attack, losing mobility in his right leg but saving 42 lives. That day, he lost his perfect stride, but never his protective instincts. After medical retirement, Kim didn't retreat from service. He found purpose as a mall security supervisor. He couldn't chase criminals on foot anymore, but he could coordinate protection for thousands of shoppers. For years, he worked quietly, never boasting about combat, until one busy Black Friday morning when everything changed. The Westfield shopping center was jam-packed with families hunting for holiday deals. At 11:30 a.m., a massive gas leak filled the food court with deadly fumes. The stench hit like a chemical weapon. Panic spread like wildfire. Shoppers screamed and trampled merchandise in their rush to escape. Parents clutched their children while teenagers leapt over counters. Employees abandoned registers and bolted. The mall manager locked himself in his office, refusing to take calls. In the security center, Sergeant Kim recognized the danger immediately. Natural gas. One spark could kill hundreds. His army training took over. He shut down all electrical systems, killing power to prevent an explosion. His damaged leg throbbed with pain, but he pushed through smoke-filled corridors, coordinating first responders while directing the evacuation. On the PA system, his calm, commanding voice cut through the chaos. Stay calm. Move to the nearest exit. Help those who can't walk. You will get out safely. Families followed his lead. Kim carried elderly shoppers on his shoulders and shielded children from stampedes. Toxic fumes seared his lungs, but he refused to slow down. By the time the gas company arrived, the mall was completely evacuated. Not a single person injured. Not a single life lost. The media hailed him as a miracle worker. Families called him a guardian angel. But the mall corporation, they saw only liability. He was fired within the week. The official reason, exceeding authority, causing panic, damaging property. No recognition, no severance, just dismissal. Kim stayed quiet until the families he saved learned of his termination. Outraged, they hired a wrongful termination lawyer, determined their hero wouldn't be discarded like garbage. In court, the corporation's attorney spoke with cold confidence. Mr. Kim overreacted to a minor gas leak. He was hired for basic security, not emergency management. He caused hysteria, shut down profitable businesses unnecessarily. He is not a hero. He's a liability. The judge leaned forward, her tone sharp as steel. So you're saying, she asked, that letting people die in a gas explosion would have been better for business? The attorney went pale. That's not what we meant. That is your argument, she snapped. This soldier prevented a mass casualty disaster when your management hid in fear. He saved hundreds of lives, and you punished him for it. That is not responsibility. That is greed. The courtroom erupted in whispers of outrage. Then came the verdict. Full reinstatement, multi-million-dollar settlement, corporate safety overhaul. Kim's record, completely vindicated. As he walked out, a young mother approached with her twin toddlers. All 3 cried with gratitude. You saved my babies that day. We owe you everything. Kim knelt and smiled at the children. Stay safe, little ones. But no one liked and subscribed the soldier.